What's going on, YouTube family and friends? Welcome back to the Making Easy Money YouTube channel, where our main focus and goal is to make money in the stock market. And what we came to discuss here in today's video is ticker symbol GV. As you all know, these last 2 days of trading, this stock has been performing pretty darn well, and we're seeing a major short cover take place here in today's pre-market trading. Stick around for my end of the day price prediction. Also, we're going to take a brief look and check out what is going on with MRVL. As you all know, they did actually post a slight better than expected earnings, but with that being said, why did the stock actually fall, with other analysts actually giving it a higher price target? With a higher price target analysis, not only that, we're seeing buy ratings pop up here in MRVL and actually still seeing a result of a major drop off. Stick around, we're going to talk about it, but before we do so, don't forget to smash that like button. It really does help the channel grow. Now, first stock we're going to talk about here in today's video is MRVL. As you all know, like I said here just briefly, they did actually post a slightly better than expected earnings, but with that being said, how hot the AI sector has been, and with how Nvidia's earnings gap has been, a lot of people expected MRVL to actually do much better than reported, and that is why this thing actually did drop from that $90 that we did receive here in yesterday's aftermarket trading, dropping as low as $73 here in today's pre-market trading. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I do feel as though that this stock stands a very great chance to continue to the downside, back towards those sub $70 levels, before actually making a strong and convincing turnaround. Now, I do feel as though that the options chain, a great call option that you may want to consider here, ladies and gentlemen, is the 307 expiration, which is tomorrow, with that $70 strike. Currently, right now, this call option, theoretically, the theoretical price here for this call option is right now around $2.30. With that being said, the premium is pretty darn high in comparison to what it was here on Wednesday's trading. With that being said, I do feel as though that this thing is actually going to fetch around $3.40 before it's all said and done. So consider this easy money put option. Last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, like I said before, what we came to talk about here in today's video is no other than GV has been performing like a raging bull. Here yesterday, that net inflow and favorment on the block orders were massive, 5.95 million. You have to take in consideration, ladies and gentlemen, before yesterday's trading, this stock was seeing a average volume under 200,000, and yesterday's short sale ratio coming in at that 11.15% is pointing to a strong short cover wave, which is taking place here currently in the pre-market hours. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, depending on where this thing actually opens up here in today's pre-market at the price, we may actually see a negative reaction at the open. With that being said, expect to see heavy and aggressive short selling throughout today's trading, especially with this huge jump in price. Now, this can actually work against shorts depending on the pre and aftermarket price action here for tomorrow's trading. Well, no, depending on today's aftermarket and the range of those massive block orders on the short side of things being taken, we may actually see this short cover wave here continue in GV. If you're currently holding the stock, ladies and gentlemen, and you do want a update video on the stock here later today, comment the ticker symbol. If we can get 25 of those comments, I will be updating GV here again later today, giving you my price prediction here for tomorrow. But I do feel as though that the stock stands a very great chance to see a continuation here and levels as high as $8 here throughout the trading day, and the likelihood of the continuation of the short cover. Like I said before, guys, anytime that shorts come across the stock like this that sees a vast move in price, they tend to actually aggressively short this thing. And like I said before, depending on the carryover of short positions, we may actually see another wave of short covering going on throughout the trading day, and that's where we can and will see those $8 share prices. But like I said before, expect to see a negative reaction right at the open here in GV. The stock can fall as low as those $5.09 and bounce from there to challenge that mid. We should see the mid around that $5.80 levels here once we see that bounce take place. So I expect for the stock to actually fall back towards those $5 levels, bounce back towards those 580s. And if we can break that, ladies and gentlemen, we may be seeing those $8 levels here on today's trading. With that being said, if you haven't already, don't forget to smash that like button. And if you're new to the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button. We make daily videos here on the stock market, tips, and great trading ideas. So with that being said, may the gains be with you.